Hello guys, Techalizer here. I've been offline for a while because I've been in a small vacation. Really needed this. It's been a hell of a year and I'm still trying to figure out what the hell I'm doing with my life now. So yeah, just a few days far and away from everything. On the beach is nothing to disconsider. It's a really nice opportunity to kind of rediscover who we really are. And anyway, I was speaking about this lightning detector a while ago. I said it would need a battery. At first, I wanted to buy a lead acid battery. Kind of like an UPS one. Well, it turns out that just a regular 9-volt battery can work just as well. The connection is not in the final form, it's just temporary, so I can see how it works. And it seems to work just fine. I've got very little false positives from the mains now, because obviously it's not connected to the mains. We have a bit of a thing coming down here. I'm somewhere in Bucharest. Here we have a little bit of just a very shy cell, if I can even call it a cell. I don't know if that's a correct meteorological term. I like to call it like that anyway. So it's coming from the northwest. This is what I see on the sky. Not much to be seen on the sky actually, but we've had some powerful wind gusts that started all of the sudden. There was basically no wind, and then suddenly it just started blowing like crazy. It's not super powerful either, it's an out of ordinary wind speed for the area. So it's mostly calm when you see something like this. I think you can hear it on the microphone as well. There's something coming if you see this. So there's a bit of a storm cloud right there. I'm still not very sure about the distance that this thing can get. I have it hooked up to my external antenna. That is on the outside of the balcony. See if I can get a shot of it. There it is. All the way on this side. It's about like, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, about 4 or 5 meters long. And there's my little technician, always helping me with the projects. What are you doing, little guy? Hey! Oh, it just beeped, I think. I was focusing on a cat. No, I'm not sure about the frequency, because I yet have to kind of there it goes. I have to check the tuning. I've used a coil from a microwave oven fan. There's just a simple coil that goes directly to the mains, in combination with the radio variable capacitor, that capacitor that you tune in the radio stations. Completely off the original schematics, but there's something in there that just doesn't work. You need to kind of mess around with it, find what works best, and I thought, well, I can go for that thing, take a radio capacitor and you know, just a large coil. Take advantage of the fact that it can be, you know, beyond the LC aspect of the things. It can have some kind of electromagnetic induction phenomena, I think. I mean, the coil itself might actually pick up some of the spikes. I have no idea what the frequency is right now that this thing is tuned to, but it seems to work really well. Unfortunately, I haven't had the opportunity to test it through a serious thunderstorm so far. It seems we're gonna have a few coming in the next few days. I'll let you know if anything happens. But I did test it with the usual, you know, the lights turned on and off. It doesn't appear to do that as much now. Or with a quartz lighter. With a quartz lighter, it works really well. I think I can actually even show you. Because talking is never enough. Let's see here. Yeah, it's normal lighter. It's these ones that click or pop. That's how you know it has an electric quartz circuit. And take a look at this. You kind of have to find the spot, because you have to realize this makes an arc like 2 millimeters long at best, so it's very tiny compared to a lightning. But if you find the right spot, by the way, I've disconnected the LEDs because that would have drawn too much current. I don't know if I didn't do the math with an LED on, but I had the power LED, and it would basically continuously keep the LED turned on. Not even a PWM circuit there to reduce the power consumption. I got rid of those. I just want the actual circuit and the beeper to work. Yeah, one of the things I really want to try, see if I can actually do this with a mains adapter, maybe use some kind of filter or something. If not, get a bigger battery, and I don't want to leave this battery for it. It works fine for now, you know, for testing purposes. I want to use a 9-volt battery for another copy of it that I want to make a portable version. So like something really small that you can hold in your hand, maybe in the case of an old phone or something. Anyway, I think it beeped again. This thing is not far, but I don't know. It's a weird place though, this city. We always have storms coming in because of the hot air rising from all the hot buildings and the microclimate here. A lot of storms actually just dissipate the moment they reach the suburbs, the outer parts of the city. As you can see here, there's just clear sky right there. And it keeps going and keeps going and keeps just disappearing right around this spot here. A sign that it works is that it doesn't beep a lot anymore. Because let's be honest, you know, with storms such low intensity, you're not gonna get much lightning anyway. So there's a smell of rain. It's probably somewhere nearby, but I don't think it's gonna get here. Maybe the northern part of the city. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll keep you tuned in. I really hope I get to test this with a proper storm these days. If we don't get a miss again. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you next time. I promise I'll keep posting videos. It was only a short vacation. I'm not going back to that period where it took me a year to post a video again. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, that's important right now for YouTube. Thank you very much. Goodbye.